President Joe Biden promised black voters on Thursday that he was all in to seek re-election on November 5 and assailed Donald Trump's record as president in his first political speech since his Republican rivals' attempted assassinations. Joe Biden was greeted by chants of 4 more years as he spoke to News Annual Convention in Las Vegas, a major gathering of black voters. Joe Biden said he was grateful that Biden was not seriously hurt at a campaign rally in Pennsylvania on Thursday, but roundly criticized him on a variety of fronts, including his handling of economy during the coronavirus pandemic. Let me say it again because Donald Trump is lying like hell about it. Black unemployment hit a record low under the Biden-Harris administration, Biden said. He scolded Donald Trump for initially contending that former President Barack Obama was not an American citizen and for his reference to black jobs at the Donald Biden's debate on June 27. I am all in, said Joe Biden. The attempt on Donald's life on Thursday prompted the Biden's campaign to pull its television ads, call of verbal attacks on the former president and focus instead on a message of unity. Our politics got too heated, said Biden. The campaign's strategy previously was to focus on tough criticism of Donald Trump as a threat to US democracy and to highlight his failure to admit his 2020 election loss and his felony convictions. Now it is trying to calibrate a less pugnacistic message that still strikes a stark comparison between two candidates. The National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, the oldest and largest US civil rights, now it is trying to calibrate a less pugnacistic message that still strikes a stark comparison between the two candidates. The National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, the oldest and largest US civil rights organization, represents a key constituency for Democratic Party while black voters turned out heavily for Biden in 2020. Polls have shown winning support for him from the constituency in this election. People are concerned about the prices of gas, prices of bread, but they are also concerned with their growing knowledge around the Project 2025. On Sunday, Biden used the former sitting of White House Oval Office to ask Americans to lower the political temperature, recommit themselves to resolving their differences peacefully. He said the November 5 presidential election will be a time of testing. In a news interview, Biden said on Monday it was a mistake for him to use the term bullseyes in reference to Donald Trump during a recent donor campaign call. The president postponed a trip to Texas on Monday, where he was expected to speak on the 6th anniversary of the Civil Rights Act. White House officials hope the Donald Trump assassination attempt will ease pressure